I think the current wave of AI capabilities pretty dramatically changes all sorts of things that startups and investors think about in terms of both one, what the technology is capable of, two, what kinds of products you can build with that, and then three, what companies look like in terms of their organizational structure and their financing needs and their roadmaps in order to capitalize on those, and how markets change, how competitive landscapes change, et cetera. At Theory, we approach this through the lens of depth. So our model is to be extremely focused with how we spend our time, invest in a very small number of companies. And that gives us a lot of time to go very, very deep in research. We are reading basically every new paper and blog post and tweet that comes out about emerging state-of-the-art capabilities in machine learning systems, both in terms of the sort of academic and scientific frontier, as well as engineered systems built with them. And so we like to understand the technology very deeply, and then we take a similar lens into different markets. So doing a very proactive, in-depth market research exercise to understand how AI really changes how different functions or industries might operate, and how it changes what kinds of new companies are possible and are exciting, whether those are at the infrastructure layer or the application layer. And our thought is that in a time of technological change, it creates a huge amount of opportunity, but also a huge amount of opportunity to be slightly off in a prediction or to misunderstand how the technology or certain market will evolve. And so that's why we take the strategy of trying to go very deep and to make a small number of decisions that we can hopefully make in a very well-informed way.